students. Today I'm explaining the classification of halogen compounds. These halogen compounds are divided into 4 different types based on its attachment, halide attachment to the particular group. Okay, so firstly it is alkyl halide, second classification is alkenyl halide, third one is aryl halide, fourth one is aryl alkyl halide. Okay, let us see the alkyl halides first. So alkyl halides are the derivatives obtained from the alkanes. That means in alkanes, if we replace one hydrogen atom and if we keep any halogen, then halogen group, then it is called as alkyl halide. For example, we know methane. Methane is CH4. From CH4, I remove one hydrogen and I get Cl. Okay, I'm getting methyl chloride. This is called alkyl chloride, alkyl halide. Okay, next let us see the classification here. So here these alkyl halides are divided into 3 main types: primary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides, tertiary alkyl halides. What is a primary alkyl halide? So in these 3 hydrogen atoms from this alkyl halide, if any one hydrogen atom is replaced and keep any hydrogen atom is replaced with any other R group. R can be any alkyl group here. Okay, I replaced one hydrogen and I kept R, then it is called primary alkyl halide. Okay, if I replace 2 hydrogens, next hydrogen if I replace with one more R, then it is a secondary alkyl halide. Okay, if I replace all the 3 hydrogens with 3 R's, 3 alkyl groups, then it is tertiary alkyl halide. That is the classification of alkyl halides. So next, second one is alkenyl halides. Alkenyl halides are obtained from alkenes. In alkenes, if I replace any hydrogen atom and if I keep any halogen, then it is alkenyl halide. So you can see this example. Okay, this is a actual example of propene. Okay, in propene I replace one hydrogen and I kept bromine here. Then it is called 1-bromo-prop-1-ene. So if I start the numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3. So first, so actually when you are giving numbering, you should give the numbering from double bond. Okay, so I am giving numbering from the double bond side. So 1, 2, 3. So to this first carbon, bromine is attached. So 1-bromo-prop-1-ene. To the first carbon, double bond is attached. So 1-ene. Actually these alkenyl halides are 2 types. Okay, first case, in first case directly the halogen is attached to doubly bonded carbon. Okay, you can see this first case, directly the bromine is attached to doubly bonded carbon. Okay, in second case, the halogen is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. sp3 hybridized carbon. So that means carbon is not having any double bonds. To such carbons, this halogen is attached, then it is called as second case. Okay, so you can see here CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH2, attached I. So here this carbon is sp3 hybridized carbon because it is not having any double bond. So if it is having double bond, and then it comes under sp2 hybridized carbon. If it is having triple bond, it comes under sp hybridized carbon. That is a way to identify the carbons. So here you can see you can give the numbering from this side because double bond is starting from this side. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 to the third carbon, iodine is attached. So 3-iodo-prop-1-ene. So it is 3 carbon chain. So prop, first carbon to the first carbon, double bond is attached. So prop-1-ene. Okay, next, coming to the next one, CH3, single bond CH, double bond CH, and CH2Br. To the sp3 carbon, again bromine is attached. Here if I give numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, double bond, same numbering. If I give from this side also, you'll get same numbering, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1-bromo-bute-2-ene. Here substituent also getting least number. So I'm giving numbering from this side. Actually we should give preference to substituent, but when double bond or triple bond is present, you should give preference to the double or triple bond. If you're giving numbering from this side also, you'll get number 2 for this carbon. If I give numbering from this side also, you'll get number 2. Okay, but here bromine get the least number while giving the number from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1-bromo-bute-2-ene. So that is an example of alkenyl halides. Coming to the third type, that is aryl halides. These are also called as aromatic halogen compounds. That means these are obtained from aromatic hydrocarbons. That means aromatic rings will be there in this particular structure. That means I can give you best example, benzene. Benzene will consist of double bonds, three alternative double bonds, and hydrogens will be present at each carbon. 6 carbons will be there. At each carbon, hydrogen atom is present. No, this hydrogen atom is replaced with Cl or any other halogen. Then they are called as aromatic halogen compounds. Okay, aryl halides we can say. So here one hydrogen is replaced with Cl. No, it is called as chlorobenzene. Actually, this is benzene. One hydrogen atom is replaced, so it is a chlorobenzene. In the second case, you can see two hydrogen atoms are replaced with Cl atoms, and they are in ortho position to each other. So this is ortho position. So ortho dichlorobenzene. In this case, two Cl atoms are present, two hydrogen atoms are replaced with two Cl atoms. They are in present opposite direction to each other. That means they are para direction to each other, that is para dichlorobenzene. Okay, so this is about aryl halides. Next we can see aryl alkyl halides. So in this compounds mainly the replacement will takes place at the side chain of the benzene ring, not on the benzene ring. So you can see benzene ring is attached to particular side chain, that is CH2. Actually this is CH3. In this CH3 one Cl is already replaced, so CH2Cl it became. So whenever we replace one hydrogen atom of side chain of the benzene ring with any other halogen, we call them as aryl alkyl halide. So this is aryl group, this is alkyl group, so it is aryl alkyl halide. Okay, you can see it is phenyl chloromethane. So phenyl chloromethane. Second case, I replace one more hydrogen, I wrote CHCl2, phenyl dichloromethane. Third case, I replaced all hydrogens, CCl3. Okay, so phenyl trichloromethane. So this is about aryl alkyl halides and aryl halides. This is completely about classification of halogen compounds.